invest in. Here comes another banging return of the mighty Libido Promotions. Libido Promotions presents the UKG Hall of Fame, inviting you to the Freaks multi-award winning legendary event. Back to the Manor. Established from 1994, celebrating 18 years in the business, the 18th year birthday special. A night of pure bumping house and garage from the innovators, the pioneers,
the one who laid down the judgment from day one.
Strictly for the mature raver. To be held Bank Holiday Saturday, the 5th of May 2012, from 9 p.m. to the early hours of the morning. Taking place at the Starlight Suite, 300 Lee Bridge Road, E10 7LD. Do you remember the notorious house and garage after party? Legends, Club Coup, the Roby, Diamonds,
Parkers,
Crazy Mondays, the Frog and Nightgown, Gas Club, Cafe de Paris, and the mighty Manor Club. 18 years on, and we're coming in strong. Back to the Manor. Come celebrate with us, the original Freaks in the Manor crew, for a notorious night down Garage Lane. It's showtime with the original formula.
Hear me, are we set the pace?
DJs and MCs, Kiss 100's DJ EZ.
With a special Back to the Manor birthday
The
set.
Veteran Madness.
With an exclusive Freaks in the Manor set.
Special K, Lady Touch, DJ Bullet, Jazzy D, Easy E, LaRouge, Easy Rider, and Lady K. With your MCs, The Godfather, Creed, Rankin, CKP, Flavor, and NSC. Attractions on the night to include live PA from Donna Cousin and Ray Hurley performing the club anthem.
Just yourself.
With stage dancers, goodie bags, and exclusive CD giveaways, with a special free raffle on the night for ladies only. Prize giveaways: first prize £100, second prize £50, and the third prize to include free tickets for our forthcoming event. Tickets priced at £10 in advance, exclusively from www.freaksonline.com. Spell FREEK. Limited early bird tickets at £8, and it will be more thereafter. Guest list closes 11:45 p.m. sharp. It's Back to the Manor with the original Freak House and Garage leaders, AME. Further information, email info@freaksonline.com. Remember, Freaks spell FREEKS online.com. Further ticket outlets: Black Market Records in Soho, DNR Vinyl in Croydon, or get in contact with any of the DJs and MCs on the line for tickets in your local area. Do check out the online pages:
Facebook,
freaksonline.com,
Twitter,
Back to the Manor, and the YouTube page, Back to the Manor 2012. Get this, all original Back to the Manor members will gain free entry. What? Free entry on presentation of the white or gold membership cards. Email info@freaksonline.com for your free ticket and free membership. Limited time available only. No trainers, caps, hoods, or sportswear. This is a massive turnaround for house and garage with the return of the leaders. Libido Promotions presenting the UKG Hall of Fame, inviting you to the 18th year birthday party to be held Bank Holiday Saturday, the 5th of May 2012. Starlight Suite, 300 Lee Bridge Road, E10 7LD. It's the return of the Freaks. Back to the Manor.